Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you ever wanted to create professional looking video for your business, social media or even educational content but felt overwhelmed by complicated editing softwares, stick around. Today I am going to show you how to create a stunning video in a minute by using AI power tool called Powtoon. It is beginner friendly, packed with templates, and make video creation effortlessly even if you have zero editing experience. By the end of the video, you will know exactly how to create a video from scratch by using Powtoon. Customize it with your branding and export it for your social media or your website. So let's jump right in. Before we dive into the tutorial, let me quick explain why Powtoon is such a game changer for video creation. Ready-made templates create video faster with pre-designed templates for marketing pitches, tutorial and more. No editing experience needed. The drag and drop interface make it perfect for beginners. AI power tool, animation, transitions and audio tools built right in. Save time and money. No need to hire expensive editor. You can do it all yourself. Now let me take you inside Powtoon and show you how to create a video step by step. Alright, once you have logged into Powtoon, this is what the dashboard look like. Let me give you a quick tour. At the top, you will see templates for different videos type like promotional videos, presentation, tutorials and educational content. On the left, you have option to start from scratch or pick a templates. I recommend it starting with a template if you are new to video creation. Now we are inside the video editor. This is where the magic happens. Powtoon give you a timeline and a workspace where you can easily customize everything. Text, click and edit the text to match your message. Here, branding, upload your logo and adjust brand color instantly. Here, media library. You can add stock photos, videos and icons from the built-in library or upload your own logos, videos and images. Stick to your brand color and font for a cohesive looking across all your videos. Let's add some audio to make your video more engaging. Powtoon make it super easy. Option was choose royalty free music from the built-in library. Option 2 upload your own voiceover files. Option 3 use the text to speech feature for an AI generated voiceover.
Discover the ultimate what?
Discover the ultimate one.
في هذا الفيديو
In this training video, discover best practices for enhancing team collaboration.
Discover the ultimate one.
Hi, I'm experiencing issues.
In this training video, discover best practices for enhancing team collaboration.
Let's make this video pop with some animations and transitions. Add motion effect, animated text, image and icons for a dynamic feel. Scenes transitions. Smoothly switch between scenes with customizable transition. See how much more professional that look with just a few clicks. This animation make a huge difference. Alright, our video is ready. Let's preview it to make sure everything look perfect. Click the preview button and watch your video. Satisfied? Now hit export. Export option, you have HD options. Save your video to your computer or direct share to your social media like YouTube, Facebook and Instagram. Before we wrap up, let me give you some ideas on how you can use Powtoon for your business marketing campaigns. Create stunning promo videos for product launches, sales pitches, engaging presentation for your clients, tutorials, step by step guide and educational videos, social media ads, short, catchy ads for Instagram and TikTok. The possibilities are endless, and with Powtoon, it is all drag and drop simple. You just learn how to create professional business video from scratch by using Powtoon. It is simple, effective, or save hours compared to traditional editing. Ready to try Powtoon for yourself? If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section and I will let you know. I will see you in the next video. Happy creating. Thank you.